Concluded this meeting. What is it all about? What do you want to achieve?
Well, it's a meeting of Northerners, specifically to discuss as a family the problems bedeviling the North and how to look for solutions to it, how to prepare for the oncoming election, to see to the fact that our interests, we elect only somebody who has the interests of the North at heart and who will address the challenges facing the North. Because as it is, we are of the opinion that this government has no interest in solving problems bedeviling the North, be it infrastructure, be it peace, be it security. So we have to take the ball in our hands and work towards achieving solutions to our problems.
So what are the resolutions from this meeting?
Well, the solution is that we should go out and continue to organize Northerners, continue to pass on the messages that we've spoken here today so that our people from top to bottom will be united and take a single position in the coming election.
What is the position of the stakeholder with regards to ADC as opposition coalition platform for 2027 election?
Well, the truth of the matter is that we started out as what we call a consultative forum for northern politicians, but as the momentum was going on, it appears that the whole of the North have decided that they will join ADC. So now the distinction between what the National Political Consultative Group is and the ADC has blurred. So our people have encouraged us, have directed us, and have mandated us to organize ourselves in the manner that we will deliver whatever we want through the ADC.
Is the North stakeholders willing to support the Northerners to succeed President Bola Ahmed Tinubu 2027?
The ADC as a political party is a party that is founded on democratic principles. We are going to go to congresses and conventions to elect our representatives at the election. And whoever emerges, be it North, South, Central, West, whoever emerges at either the congresses or at the convention, ADC will support it, and the Northern Political Consultative Group will support that person.
Sir, there is a fear.
If you are in Nigeria, you know the challenges facing the North. There's insecurity, there's economic deprivation, there's marginalization, there's everything that is designed to humble us, designed to disintegrate us, designed to underdevelop us.
So there is a fear that the votes don't count, and so effort by the coalition is an exercise in futility.
There's nobody in ADC leadership or rank and file that believes that votes do not count. Votes do count, and we are going to make sure that votes do count. This election, votes will count. I tell you, forget about the fear that votes will not count. APC is a party of Nigerians, ADC is one. Whatever techniques, whatever malicious activity they throw at us will counter it effectively. And will counter and defeat them at it.
Thank you so much. It's good.
This is Northern Consultative Group in the African. So it's a meeting of our region, the Northern region, the north of Nigeria, to discuss the situation in the north, especially the issue of insecurity, the issue of how we can strengthen unity in the north. There are similar meetings in the south. There are similar meetings in the southeast, all coalition under the so this particular meeting today is for the north of Nigeria. And like I said, it's for the purpose of getting briefings from all the states to know what the issues are, what the challenges are, and the progress we are making in terms of building this coalition. Like I said, I mean, the original consultations, when you have the Southeast Governors, if you have the Southeast Governors Forum, it doesn't mean that they are not governors of Nigeria. If you have Southwest Governors Forum, it doesn't mean that they are not governors of Nigeria. So if you have Northern Consultative Group within the ADC, there is nothing wrong with that. Just like you have the Southern Consultative Group within the same party, or a Southeast Consultative Group or Southwest, you can leave this place and have Northeast Consultative Group. So there is nothing wrong with it.
There's this prediction that ADC, the coalition, will scatter within 6 months. How will you react to this?
Well, we are counting. It's how many months now? How many months have we spent? Yeah, okay. You know, I mean, when we started, they said it's dead on arrival, right? Now they have given us 6 months lifespan. After 6 months, they will extend it. Because the coalition is a coalition of Nigerians. It's a coalition that represents the desired interest of Nigerians to be free from the current crisis of existence that they are facing. Every Nigerian that is hungry knows that he doesn't want this to continue. Every Nigerian that is finding it difficult to pay his children's school fees, this salary has been reduced to just a piece of paper, knows that he needs an alternative. And the only alternative today is the ADC. So if they continue to say that, let them continue to wish that this will collapse. But I can assure you, the leadership of the ADC are very clear about the challenges that we are faced with. We are very clear about the trouble that Nigerians are putting us. Every single day we receive message from across this country saying that you people should please ensure that this succeeds because it's our only hope. So they can continue to wish as much as they want. They can continue to predict as much as they want. But for us, we are very clear about where we are going and where we want to take it.
What are you doing to have some serving governors in your fold?
We don't need to particularly target any serving governor. We know that there is no serving governor will want to come to us now because of the kind of intimidation that they are facing. We know what they are doing to them. And some of them who cannot jump to their party are saying they are endorsing their presidential candidate. No problem. But what you are saying is a conspiracy against the Nigerian people. ADC welcome everybody, but we are convinced that we are a movement that has the backing of the majority of Nigerians who are not happy with the direction this country is going. No, ADC is not. You see, the process for the building of the party ensures that the party does not coalesce around any individual. And like I repeatedly emphasized, the ADC is not built for anybody's ambition. ADC is a party that is determined to give a different trajectory to Nigerian politics. We don't have any predetermined agenda. We don't have any favorite aspirant or candidate. We are not having any conversation at the moment. Nobody has ever had any conversation about who will be the party flag bearer. We believe that it's too early in the day. Our focus now is to build a political party that is strong enough, to deliver on the mission that we have set for ourselves.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.